Hello everyone, Amber here with Team Social Speak. Today I want to walk you through how to do what we call a social media audit. And this is just going to be a quick rundown. Sometimes, I know for us, we set up Twitter years ago, we've set up our Facebook page, and things change in your business. We've updated our website, we've updated our theme and colors, our message, and sometimes you forget about updating your social media accounts as well. And we all know with social media that brand consistency is key. So I'm going to show you all of our social media platforms that we're using right now, and I want you to see how they look and feel the same. So the first thing that you want to start off with is looking at your website. Look at, your colors. What are the colors that you're using? What is your message? On every homepage, if you're on our website, we have our blogs that show up obviously first. Some people may have a specific homepage that has maybe services or a little bit more about them, maybe videos. And you always want to make sure that you have, who you are on the homepage of your website. So this is who we are. And we also have more about us as individuals. So we want to make sure that the language we're using on our website is also being consistent with our social media. So let's take a look at Facebook first. And we are going to go to our Social Speak page. And the first thing you're going to notice is that we have our logo up there. Our logo is also on our header. And one of the things with the Facebook headers that you want to remember is making sure that your content is in the middle. So on every platform, on our mobile devices, this gets cut off a little bit, and this blue part over here gets cut off. But the most important thing is they see our business name and what we do on the header. So we're being consistent with that. On the About Us, we have our username that is filled out. We need to edit our mission, so we need to add that to our Facebook page. We have our contact information, our website here. Other accounts is a great way to be able to add our Instagram or our Twitter. If there is another platform that you are very active on, that would be a good area to add that too. We want to make sure that the About, unlock your digital marketing potential with Social Speak Network members only website, Facebook group to help you grow your business online. So this is something we are kind of changing our mission of who our ideal client is and what that looks like. So we're going to want to come in here and update this part of it. We have our story, and a lot of people don't or haven't in the past looked at that story. So what we may want to do is, because I just updated this work with us page, we may want to update this content in there. We may want to look at our group coaching. That's really what we are focusing on. And so we have a story here already. So I may want to update, I may want to just copy this story, copy here, and I may want to come to Facebook here and edit our story. So it's the same look and feel as the website, so people understand, what they're getting, what's in it for them, things like that. So we can come down here and make sure it looks good. The links are already in there. And then I may want to change the image. I may want to update it to this one. So I can just do a quick screen capture. Come to here, and I'm going to, let's exit out of this. And then let's remove that header, and let's drag in upload new photo, and we're going to go to desktop, screenshot, and once that's uploaded, I can, move it around if I need to. So we'll just leave it like that, and we will come down here and click Publish Updates. So you want to make sure that your story is updated and current with your website. And if you haven't updated your website with your new services or your story, be sure to do that. So now our Facebook page is updated. The other thing that we want to look at is Pinterest. So again, with Pinterest, we're already logged into our account, and you'll see here we have our latest pins, and I love how this header is. You will see that we have our updated logo on there, our website. We help business owners, marketing directors, and entrepreneurs find solutions to problems with social media, digital marketing, life, work, balance, and more. So that is staying congruent with what our website and Facebook has on it. So you just want to make sure this description is clear. If you need to edit that profile, you can just go to this edit button here, and not there. You can edit your profile and then be able to change these. Here you can, when you do your header, you can have it be latest pins, recent activity. You can pick a board. So we just have our latest pins, which is pretty cool. And then you can click on to your logo. You can change your boards if you need to update your board names, your pins, your followers, your overview. So that's what this is. So make sure that those things are the same. And if you need to edit it, you can go into settings, and says this is a business account. I can then go into profile. I can change a business name, update the about you, make sure you have your Pinterest URL, change the website. That's where you're going to go to edit that, is right into your settings. So you want to make sure that this message here is the same that's on Facebook and also the same on your website. Next one is Instagram. Instagram, you can edit your profile from the computer. You can also edit it from your mobile device, but I have our account pulled up on the computer. I would just click here to edit profile. Again, that logo, our name, our website. This is the same thing that's on our Pinterest account, our contact information, and so that is all the same. So that is important, just to make sure that people know. Now, the other thing with Instagram you can do is you can also add hashtags into here. So if you have extra characters, you can add your branded hashtags to your description. Twitter, I thought we were logged in. I apologize for that. So let me just go into login and do Social Speak Network. Oops. You must know your logins and passwords. It's one of those things. Usually we have it on automated, so it's kind of funny that then you forget that sometimes. Let me see if this is it. We had created two accounts. Okay, let me take you over to Google Chrome. I have it up in here. I'm already logged in on Google Chrome, so we'll just take a look on here. So here is our account, and one of the things I like with Twitter, when you go in to edit your profile, you can pick your theme color. So it just makes it, for me, I think it makes it a little bit more personalized. But again, we have our website here, we have our description, our name here, and then you'll see that we have our logo, and this is a header that we had done. Our parent company, Balanced Internet Marketing Solutions, we have branded Social Speak. So this just kind of helps people know, if they knew us as the BIMS team, they know that we're now Social Speak, and so it's just clear to them. So this is, again, social media, online community, online coaching. It's clear they know who we are. That is That is key because you want to make sure that as people find you on your website and they click to these icons, that it's going to take you to, if it takes you to Facebook or Twitter, that people are going to say, oh, okay, it's the same person. Otherwise, they're going to, if you didn't change your name or your colors are different or your message is different, they're going to get confused. The other place I want to show you is LinkedIn. LinkedIn, I feel this is what we're going to be talking about the whole month of May on Social Speak is LinkedIn. I feel like this can be an overlooked platform that people forget to update, and it should be the first thing to update. So here I have said, co-founder at Social Speak Network. The other thing you can do to take this a step further is you can create a company page, which we will be talking about next week. So stay tuned for that and how to do that. But you want to make sure that it is current for your current workplace. The last thing that you want to look at is your YouTube channel. And again, making sure that this is updated with your logo, so people know, who you are. Again, we have this same header here. You can do that through your Google Plus account to update your profile. So take a moment, set some time aside this week to just go through each of your social media platforms and make sure that they are updated, again, with your current logo, your current colors, with your header. You can go into Canva as a free tool, and they have all these different Facebook cover, a Pinterest graphic, but they also show you YouTube channel, YouTube channel art, your Twitter header, your Google header. So it gives you all your Facebook cover, your LinkedIn banner. So you are allowed to, create these customized banners for each social media platform. So as people are coming to your, let's just go back to here, to your profiles, they're seeing a branded image, and it can be different for each platform because it's going to be different sizes, but it's going to have the same logo and the same message on there. So take advantage of these free tools to make sure that you're standing out on social media and that your message is clear and you're being consistent with your brand on each network. Just a little tidbit, some homework to do, some spring cleaning, as I like to say, going through the accounts, making sure, you just have everything in order, because as we start to talk about really how to use each of these platforms to build your business, you want to make sure that you have the right message out there first before you start building it. Please let us know if you guys have any questions. Thank you.